We have Dr. Prerna Agarwal with us here right now, and what I want to ask her is that, Dr. Prerna, everybody is here attending the same course, going through the same content, interacting with the same faculty. What makes one outshine the other?
I think that IAMS material in itself is a very comprehensive book, but what makes a few people better than the others is the way one reads the book. It's like you just read it once, it's just not enough. You need to understand what each line means. You need to read it over and over again, like twice or thrice. And also, I used to maintain a pocket book in which I would write down certain small details which I think I would forget, and read that little book just one day before the exam, and that really helped me a lot. So I guess, and apart from all of this, it's one's own confidence that really matters a lot, because no matter how much you put in, there is always the exams, some or the other exam in which you don't do well, that kind of bogs you down. And it is only those people who take it to their heart and make sure that they don't do such a mistake again and put in that little extra effort are the ones who outshine the others. But the people who really get bogged down by a little test that they didn't do well, or who don't take the pains of revising and don't put in that extra effort, are the ones who don't really outshine. So I suggest that once you're reading it, the ones that you have read today, take out half an hour, read the same thing that you have read today, tomorrow, and once you've done that, it will permanently fix into your memory and it will never go back. Do that, maintain a small pocket notebook of certain facts, certain complicated words, certain terminology that you might think you'll forget, and carry it with you, read it one day before the exam, and just be confident. I mean, you should know that you will crack it, and you will.
Dr. Prerna, tell me something about the FTS.
See, FTS is the one that is conducted by IAMS, which is conducted on every last Sunday of every month. And for me, it was a really routine that whatever I have read in that 1 month, I would make sure I revise on that particular weekend and go prepared for my FTS. And it was miraculous because I saw myself rising from a 30% to a 40% to a whopping 60%. And these results are by far, IAMS ka result compared to any other coaching institute. The result of IAMS is the most reliable because किसी को अगर इसमें if they have got a top 50, then you can be sure कि तुम्हारी centrals में seat पक्की है. And you have to write your FTS. Make sure you go home the very same day, read the questions and answers the very same day, because if you keep postponing, there's no point in writing the exam. And again, what I used to do is I would maintain a pocket notebook where I would write the question for which I went wrong and the answer and the relevant explanation in a pocket notebook, which I could go through just before the exam rather than reading the entire thing again, which really helped me a lot for my state boards as well as my centrals.
And for your preparation of FTS, other than jotting down your doubts and where you've gone wrong, how did you know that you're going wrong somewhere during the month where you had time to prepare for FTS? What is it that made you realize that these are my weak areas?
See, I think IAMS has a really good strategy of conducting weekly tests, and as and when you appear for the weekly test and you see your marks, you will know where you stand. So you don't really need to put an effort. I think the academicians here themselves will tell you that you're not doing good, and that's a great bonus.
MCQs and the practice of MCQs, how important a role do they play here?
MCQs, I think, as and when you read a particular topic, it is always wise to solve as many MCQs as you can from that particular topic, because it lets you have a grip on the subject. So per day, I would advise everyone to do at least around 200 to 250 per day. And that actually adds up to 1 million questions by the time you're appearing for the exam, and there's absolutely no value for that.
Any suggestion for IAMS to make their content and their faculty and the entire strategy, which is already so exhaustive as everybody is commenting and complimenting, would you like to add on with any suggestion here?
Not really. I just think that they should have kept more group discussions, and maybe like for someone who is really eyeing a November session, joining an earlier session or starting certain earlier sessions would be more beneficial, because November exam ends and you have an exam in February, so maybe you fall a little short of time. But otherwise, the way they teach, you already are so thorough with it that just another revision will do.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing your valuable advice and comments with us, Dr. Prerna Agarwal.